Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing video for my new Iconia tablet from Acer. So this is a Android honeycomb tablet. It's brand new. It's powered by NVIDIA Tegra CPU. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so reading first, user guide. Okay, and here it is, my new baby. Let's see. So it is really nice and decent size. We can see all the features it has. Has some Dolby Mobile, wide view angle panel, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 5.0 megapixel camera. That's the back camera. The one in the front is 2 megapixel camera. Also some HDMI and micro SD. And on the right side we have the reset button in case something goes wrong. You need to reset the device. We also have a USB host port for keyboards and any other peripherals. Micro USB port. This is for syncing up your tablet with your PC. And the power jack. So this tablet cannot be powered by the USB port, so there's a limitation of current, I guess, from the USB ports. On the top side we have the volume rockers, up and down, lock switch, so you don't accidentally go from portrait to landscape mode and just hold it the way you want. We also have some cover. I believe this is for the micro SD port, and I believe there is another model with the SIM card slot for 3G connectivity. On the other side we have power button, headphone jack, and the HDMI. This is a micro HDMI connector, so it's gonna be hard to find one of those cables over here in Mexico, but let's see what we can find. So on the back we have the 5 megapixel camera, and of course, as you can see, the tablet is covered by some plastic for scratch protection. This has to be removed when you first use it. And here is the 2 megapixel camera for video conferencing, I guess, and narcissistic pictures. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Cleaning cloth. I guess this tablet is a fingerprint magnet, so it will be useful to have this to clean up your tablet. We also have some covers here. We have the AC/DC charger, micro USB to USB connector for syncing up your tablet with your PC, and we also have the standard American plug for AC. So I guess in Europe they ship this tablet with a different kind of connector, so they just want to reuse the base charger and just swap the plug. And in here we have some documentation, some quick guide, probably the warranty documentation. So I don't know. I know that you have to download the full user guide from the Acer Iconia website, but you know, the learning curve is not that hard at all. Okay, so let's see. Read me first, okay? So I apologize for the low quality video. I'm just recording with my digital camera, so don't expect full definition video here. So we just have some product overview, basically what I just showed you. Then some quick start instructions, so explains how to unpack the box and says we have to connect the tablet at least for 4 hours before first use. So I'm gonna stop this video here. I'm gonna charge this little baby up 4 hours and I'll probably resume the video in a few hours. So that's it for now, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.